If you're considering MediaTemple for your web hosting, there are 12 things you need to know before making a decision. This video will give you the insights that can help you weigh whether it's the right choice for your needs, especially when comparing it to other providers like Bluehost or SiteGround. First off, MediaTemple is known for its premium offerings, but is it worth the price? Many people find that its higher tier plans come with great performance, but the cost is significantly higher compared to competitors. If you're just starting out or on a tight budget, you may want to consider if it's the best fit or look at more affordable options like Bluehost. Next thing to note, MediaTemple offers excellent customer support 24/7 via live chat, email, and phone. Their support team is generally responsive and knowledgeable, which sets them apart from other hosts like GoDaddy, which can sometimes have longer response times. The third thing to consider is the performance. MediaTemple offers solid uptime and fast load times. Their servers are reliable, but don't expect the fastest speeds on entry-level plans. You may notice better performance with other hosts, like SiteGround, especially on more affordable plans, so it's important to choose a plan based on your performance needs. Next, let's talk about the user interface. MediaTemple's control panel is user-friendly, but different from the cPanel you're used to with other hosts. It's a proprietary dashboard that some find intuitive, but it can be a bit of a learning curve if you're used to cPanel's layout. The fifth thing you should know is about scalability. MediaTemple is great if you plan to grow your website over time. They offer cloud-based hosting solutions, which are very scalable, allowing you to upgrade easily as your website traffic increases. However, scalability options can get pricey compared to the flexibility of services like DigitalOcean. Next thing to keep in mind is their security features. MediaTemple includes free SSL certificates, automatic backups, and robust protection against malware attacks. This is great for peace of mind, especially compared to some other providers who charge extra for these features. The seventh thing is their managed hosting services. If you're not tech savvy or prefer to have everything handled for you, MediaTemple's managed services are a strong selling point. For those who want more control over their servers and websites, providers like Bluehost and HostGator may give more flexibility at a lower cost. The eighth thing, MediaTemple's plans aren't the most affordable. For instance, their entry-level plans can seem expensive compared to other shared hosting providers like Hostinger. However, the performance and additional features may justify the higher price for some users. Moving on to the ninth thing, MediaTemple's website builder. They offer a decent drag-and-drop builder, but it's not as intuitive or feature-rich as those found with competitors like Wix or Squarespace. If you need an all-in-one builder with fewer restrictions, it's worth checking out other platforms. The 10th thing is about the website migration process. MediaTemple offers free migrations, but if you're coming from a non-standard platform, the process can be a bit more complex compared to other hosts who make the migration process smoother, like SiteGround. The 11th thing is their cloud hosting options. If you're looking for something more powerful, MediaTemple excels in cloud hosting. Their cloud services are robust, offering high flexibility and customization. But if you're looking for simplicity with lower complexity, a shared hosting provider like Bluehost may be more suitable. And finally, MediaTemple's pricing isn't always transparent. While they offer great services, it's easy to get lost in the upsells and add-ons, so be prepared for a potentially higher than expected bill, especially after the introductory pricing period. Competitors like A2 Hosting may offer more straightforward pricing and renewal plans. Overall, MediaTemple is a solid option for high-performance web hosting with good customer service and premium features. But if you're looking for a more cost-effective solution with similar features, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.